Verbs classified into two types, one finite verb and second one is non-finite verb. And non-finite verbs classified into three parts. One gerunds, second one is infinitives and third one is participles. Gerund. Gerunds are words that are formed with verbs but act as nouns v1 plus ing. So these are called verbal nouns. Some examples: megastar Chiranjeevi practices dancing. Here practices is main verb and dancing is gerund. And next example, Pawan Kalyan enjoys watching TV. Here enjoys is main verb and watching is gerund. Infinitives. An infinitive usually begins with the word to and is followed by base form of verb to plus v1. Here some examples. Rajmouli plans to write a story. Here plans is main verb and to write is infinitive. And another example is Mahesh Babu came here to study. Here came is main verb and to study is infinitive. Please identify. Participles. Word formed from a verb. Example, going, gone, being, been, etc. And used as adjectives. Example, working woman, or a noun, good breeding. In English, participles are also used to make compound verb form. Example, is going. Now we will see classification of participles. Participles are three types. One is present participle, second one is past participle, and third one is perfect participle. Present participle, the form of verb ending in ing in English, which is used in forming continuous tense. Here some examples. Raviteja jumped from a running train. Here jumped is main verb and running is present participle. And next example, she saw him playing cricket. Here saw is main verb and playing is present participle. Next we learned about perfect participle. Perfect participle, also called past participle, is verbal adjective to show action that passed and completed, having plus v3. See some examples. Having finished my homework, I went to play. Having finished is perfect participle. And another example, having completed my studies, I went to America. So here having completed is perfect participle. Next, past participle. Past participle is third form of a verb. In regular verbs, it is the same in irregular verbs. A past participle is a word that used ed, d and sometimes t at the end of its present or first form. Examples of past participle. He was finished with the project. So finished is past participle. And another example is when I came here, he had left. Here had left is past participle. Thank you for watching.